Hey guys, it's Larissa Takchi, MasterChef winner 2019, and I'm here with Castle Towers. Who doesn't love a warm summer's day by the pool with a bunch of friends cooking up a feast on the barbecue? When I think of balmy weather, I think of fresh and seasonal. So naturally, yellow peaches come to mind, and I'm going to pair that with a creamy burrata in a refreshing salad. Okay, so to make this salad extra special, we're going to char grill some beautiful peaches. So if you have a look at these, I've chosen some firm yellow peaches from Fresh World. You don't want to get anything too ripe because they may collapse in the cooking process. Okay, it's now time to cook these peaches. I'm using a already greased skillet pan. I'm going to cook them for roughly 1 to 2 minutes on each side until lightly charred. Okay, so while those peaches are cooking away, let's make our dressing. First things first, we're gonna add the oil to the bowl, the beautiful extra virgin olive oil. And now we're just gonna add some bee pollen honey from Rainbow Organic. Balsamic vinegar, bit of salt. And we're just gonna mix that through. I'm just gonna have a little taste test. The acidity from the balsamic, the sweetness from the honey, and that olive oil just brings everything together. Now let's check on our peaches. Okay, let's plate this beautiful salad up. So let's put our tomatoes down first. I've chosen some ox heart tomatoes from Fresh World, and I've just cut them into wedges. So just scatter them down the plate, anywhere random. Okay, now let's add these beautifully charred peaches. Let's add some fresh prosciutto, which I got from Jean-Louis Joseph. Beautiful, freshly shaved prosciutto. It's perfect with this dish. Great, so now let's add some charred bread to the salad. I got this sourdough bread from Shepherd's Bakehouse, and I just charred it on the skillet pan just the same way as the peaches. Okay, so now let's add some fresh basil leaves, which I got from Fresh World. Scatter them all around. Adds a bit of pop of color. Okay, now let's add the burrata. And you can get this beautiful cheese from Jean-Louis Joseph or from Coles supermarkets. Now this salad pairs beautifully with grilled chicken or grilled pork, but do yourself a favor and head down to Chop Butchery and grab some of these amazing sausages. Word on the street is that these sausages are the best that you can get. They come in many different varieties, and my personal favorite is the Wagyu beef sausage. You've got the barbecue on already, so you may as well put these sausages on with your grilled peaches. Okay, and now we just need to season this salad. So of course we're going to use regular sea salt. A nice generous pinch on top. And now my favorite ingredient, I've got an Australian bush pepper spice from Gewürzhaus. I'm gonna sprinkle that on top. Just adds that little bit of heat and spice to the dish. And there we have it. One of my favorite go-to summer salads that will suit any barbecue spread, or as a beautiful side salad for a dinner occasion, my peach and burrata salad with a balsamic vinaigrette.